I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Sorry for keep you waiting, sir.
No, you're fine.
So right now we're in the building C. Your room at the building B on the 7th floor, and this is the room number, sir. The internet room number, username, the password is your last name, Carliness, or small letter.
Well, you said that right.
Yes. And for the swimming pool, will be between building B, open 7 in the morning until 8 p.m., sir.
Okay.
For the breakfast, will be at the building A, Nawa restaurant, 6:30 to 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Yes, and we have the shuttle boat service here. The boat will be go to SkyTrain station, Icon Siam and Asia T.
Okay.
Yes, it's the Icon Siam is the department store,
Okay.
and Asia T is the night market. If you would like to use the shuttle boat, you can call number 0
Okay.
to make a booking.
Okay.
Okay,
And how
as
much is
per it's free of cost.
It's free?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we also you also got the complimentary for the aqua therapy, like the hydrotherapy.
okay.
Free of charge 1 hour.
Okay.
Yes, you contact the third floor at the third floor to make the booking.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what building is that in?
Sorry, sir.
What building is that
It will
in?
be building C here.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
The luggage will be sent to the room.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
Thank you.